We're starting a new chapter now, and we're going to take a look at some further dimensioning tools that you can use in AutoCAD. We've got a new drawing for you. It's called groundfloorplan.dwg, and as usual you can download it from the library to follow along with the videos in this chapter. Now we're going to do a dimension text edit first. Now you'll notice there's two horizontal dimensions going across the building in the middle of the drawing. Zoom in on the left hand one, so it's this one here. Zoom in a bit and you'll see the dimension is 8342. Simply hover over the dimension text, double click, and it will allow you to perform a dimension text edit. Now you'll notice that the text editor kicks in at the top of the screen in the ribbon, the contextual text editor, and you can use the arrow keys to navigate the text. So if I hit the right hand arrow key, that puts it on the right hand side of the 8342. I'll just press the space bar to put a space in and then type UNO. UNO stands for unless notified otherwise. I can then just click away from the text. Job done. It's prompting me, do I want to select another annotation object to edit? I don't, so I just press enter to close down the command. That's a dimension text edit, quick and easy. What we're also going to look at is what they call a dimension text override. Zoom out slightly, pan across, and you'll see we've got the 5910 dimension here. Click on it, right click and bring up the properties palette by clicking on properties in the shortcut menu. And you need to use the slider bar, slide down a bit until you find the text area. There's your text override here, like so. Now you'll notice the measurement is an exact measurement of 5910, but what we're going to do is we're going to put something in here like measure on site. Make sure you spell it correctly, unlike me. And then we'll put approx, R-O-X, and then a dot, and then we're going to put a less than greater than symbol. Now you're probably thinking, why has he put that less than greater than symbol? Well, that will bring in the measurement, the 5910, into the text override. If I now press enter, notice it updates in the drawing. I close the properties palette, hit escape a couple of times. We've now got measure on site approximately 5910. So that's a quick dimension text edit and a quick dimension text override. Make sure you double click on the wheel to zoom extents, and as you can see we're back to where we started in the drawing.